Next, exercise 2.1. The first question is multiply the following. The first one is 1 by 2 into 7. Solution: 1 by 2 into 7. You can multiply 1 and 7. 1 sevens are 7. The denominator is same by 2. This is the answer. Second sum, 2 by 3 into 12. Solution: 2 by 3 into 12. Here using the cancel out, the denominator is 3. Here the numerator is, the whole number is 12. You can cancel out the common factor. Here the common factor is 3 1 times. This is 4 times. Now you can multiply 2 into 4. Answer is 8 by 1 is equal to 8. Exercise 2.1 homework sum. First question, multiply the following. First one is 3 by 7 into 5. Second one is 35 by 14 into 7. Third one is 4 by 9 into 18. This is the homework sum. Exercise 2.1 second question, fill in the blanks wherever required. Reduce the fraction to its simplest form. The first one is 1 by 2 into 7 by 8 is equal to dash. Solution: 1 by 2 into 7 by 8. Here there is no cancel out, so you can multiply the numerator. 1 sevens are 7. You can multiply the denominators. 2 into 8. 8 twos are 16. 7 by 16 is the answer. Next, exercise 2.1 homework sum. Second question, fill in the blanks wherever required. Reduce the fractions to its simplest form. First one is 3 by 8 into 5 by 6 is equal to dash. Second question, 2 by 6 into 3 by 7 is equal to dash. Third question, 1 by 2 into 1 by 14 is equal to dash. This is the homework sums. Exercise 2.1 third question, multiply. The first question is 4 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 3. Solution: 4 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 3. These two numbers are mixed fraction. First you convert into improper fractions. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 into 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Now you can simplify, cancel out the values. Here 3 1 times, 9 3 times. 2 tables, 1 times. This is 5 times. Answer is 3 by 1 into 5 by 1. Now you can multiply the numerator values. 3 5s are 15. The denominator value is 1. The answer is 15. Homework sums. Third question, multiply. First one is 3 1 by 8 into 2 3 by 5. Second question, 5 1 by 3 into 3 3 by 4. Third question, 6 2 by 5 into 25 by 8. This is the homework sum. Exercise 2.1 sixth question, find the value of each. First one is 2 by 3 of 9. Here of means, you already know the of means multiplication. 2 by 3 into 9. Here using the cancel out, 3 1 times, 9 3 times. The answer is 6 by 1 is equal to 6. Next, homework sums. Sixth question, find the value of each. First one is 1 by 4 of 8. Second question, 1 by 2 of 20. Third question, 2 by 3 of 18. This is a homework sum for sixth question.
Next section is reciprocal of a fraction. The multiplicative inverse of a number is called its reciprocal.
Example 2 by 3. Reciprocal of a 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. To interchange the place of the denominator and numerator. Next example 2 by 3. First interchange the convert to the improper fraction. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6 by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3. Now you can reciprocal the fraction. The reciprocal is 3 by 8.
The next section is 2.3 division of fractions, whole number divided by fraction. Division of a number by another number is the same as its multiplication with the reciprocal of the divisor. To divide a whole number by a fraction, first one is multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of the fraction. Second one is simplify the final fraction. Next one, fraction divided by whole number. To divide a fraction by a whole number, this first method is multiply the fraction with the reciprocal of the whole number. Simplify the final fraction.
For example, 3 by 4 divided 6. Solution: 3 by 4 is dividend, 6 is a divisor. Dividend, 6 is a divisor. So you reciprocal the divisor value 3 by 4 into here 6 is the whole number, convert to rational number 6 by 1. 1 by 6. 1 times, this is 2 times. 1 by 4 twos are 8. This is the answer.